Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to log into your QGOLD loan account. If you're new to QGOLD's online services, this video will guide you through the process step by step. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to QGOLD's login page. And to do so, search for QGOLD login in the search bar. And now, click on this link. Now once you are in the website, enter your account number, username and password. And you can also check on Save Login checkbox if you want to save your password for later. Now, you can click on the login button and you'll be able to access your account. And if you cannot remember your password or username, no worries. This page has options to recover them. You can simply click on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen instructions. And just in case if you haven't created an online account yet, you can sign up for one directly from this login page. Just look for the Apply for Account option and follow along the instructions to create one. And finally, thanks for joining me in this quick guide on how to access your QGOLD loan account. I hope you found this video helpful. So please leave it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you.